Struggling to manage your budget? The 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet powerful method that can help you take control of your finances. Let's break it down. Welcome to the Millennial Financial Times, your go-to source for practical financial tips and strategies. The 50-30-20 rule works like this. 50% of your income goes to necessities like rent, groceries, and utilities. This covers the essentials that keep your life running smoothly. Then 30% of your income is for discretionary expenses, things you want but don't necessarily need. Think dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. Enjoy life, but keep it in check. Finally, 20% of your income should go to savings and debt repayment. This is your key to building wealth and securing your future. Start with an emergency fund, then focus on paying off debt and investing. Thanks for watching. Check out millennialfinancialtimes.com for answers to all your pressing financial questions.